In the world of property maintenance and repair, the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you're repairing a dripping faucet, installing electrical wiring, or building a wooden cabinet, having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're highlighting the 20 coolest tools every handyman needs. From cutting-edge gadgets to reliable essentials, get ready to explore must-haves that will enhance your craft and make every project smoother. Let's gear up and get started. Supercharge your landscaping efficiency with the Aurarit Block Clamp's automated power. Capable of transporting and installing 1 to 5 grass blocks simultaneously, this tool significantly boosts productivity with its fully automatic changeover system. The clamp seamlessly switches from full to empty, ensuring smooth operation with just one operator. Designed for standard grass stones of 60 by 40 centimeters and featuring a hole size of 9 by 9 centimeters, it accommodates a clamping range of 400 millimeters. The Aurarit Turf Stone Laying Clamp's ability to automatically switch from open to close streamlines the entire process, making it an indispensable tool for any landscaping project. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to efficiency with the Aurarit Grass Block Clamp. This robust cutter handles steel rods ranging from 4 to 12 millimeters with ease, offering a crimping range of 12 millimeters and a powerful output of 45 kilonewtons. With a stroke of 15 millimeters and a compact length of approximately 315 millimeters, it's designed for maximum efficiency. Weighing just 1.90 kilograms, the Inco cutter is lightweight yet incredibly sturdy. The high-quality build ensures durability, making it a reliable companion for tough jobs. It comes in a convenient case, adding only 0.56 kilograms, making storage and transport a breeze. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Inco 45 kilonewton hydraulic steel cutter is perfect for your toolkit. Experience heavy-duty performance and high-quality craftsmanship in one powerful package. Revolutionize your forestry work with the Val Remote, where safety meets cutting-edge innovation. This game-changing system integrates an infrared remote control with impact wrenches. But here's the twist: it's only activated when attached to a felling wedge. This means you can use the same powerful drive unit for various applications, like planting trees with drill fast or workshop tasks. Unlike other systems which tie you to expensive radio wedges, Val Remote allows you to switch easily between multiple felling wedges with just a few steps. Each wedge has a defined lifting height, and if that's not enough, simply detach the machine and attach it to a new wedge. This means no more working under the falling tree, enhancing safety and efficiency. The lightweight impact wrench offers unmatched flexibility for both thin and thick trunks. Slice through massive timbers like butter with Festool's powerhouse sword saw. This powerful tool effortlessly slices through large timbers, glue-laminated beams, and even green oak up to 200 millimeters thick. Its adjustable blade angles ranging from 90 degrees to 10 degrees in side guides ensure precise cuts every time. The ergonomically designed handle features a sequential safety switch and trigger for ease of use, while the built-in oil feed system keeps the chain lubricated for smooth operation. Plus, it pairs perfectly with Festool FestGuard rails for straight, accurate cuts. With options for universal ripping, fine, and insulation cutting chains, and a 60-degree angle adjustment with a 100mm cutting depth, the SSUB is a versatile powerhouse that deserves a spot in your tool arsenal. Experience surgical precision in tire repair with this pneumatic-powered professional solution. This powerful tool performs tire repairs with the precision of a surgeon thanks to its adjustable spreader hooks and smooth pneumatic-powered operation. Operate effortlessly with 2 pedals for spreading and releasing sidewalls and make precise adjustments on the go. Inspect every angle with the wide-opening lamp on a fully flexible arm, ensuring no issue goes unnoticed. Stay efficient with the built-in storage compartment and large tool tray, keeping everything you need at hand. The sturdy square base and floor anchors provide complete stability, allowing you to work with confidence. With its sleek design, quality finish, and solid build, this tire spreader delivers on all its promises, transforming your tire repairs into a seamless and efficient process. Say goodbye to cabinet installation headaches with this precision-engineered solution from Craig. This affordable, easy-to-use tool works with any standard drill and includes a carbide-tipped bit for precision. Designed to drill cup holes for concealed Euro hinges, the jig eliminates guesswork by positioning the bit at the exact spot and depth needed. Its glass-filled nylon base with indexing cams and a depth stop collar guarantees flawless results. Concealed hinges are ideal for their invisibility, adjustability, and functionality, but they require precise hole drilling. The Craig hinge jig simplifies this process, making it accessible for beginners, yet robust enough for professionals. Just set the cams, use your drill, and enjoy reliable, consistent results for any cabinet project. Perfect for one-off jobs or full kitchen makeovers, the Craig concealed hinge jig is a must-have in every handyman's toolkit. Achieve flawless pipe bevels with Bevel's precision-engineered cordless system. This tool offers a seamless combination of precision and speed thanks to its controlled bevel and guide plate system. The carbide router bit, powered by a cordless die grinder, delivers reliable performance and is compatible with Bosch, Milwaukee, and DeWalt grinders. Adjusting the bevel length is a breeze with the intuitive adjusting knob and engraved guide plate. For a smooth bevel, it's crucial to keep the guide plate perpendicular and ensure the router bit's bearing stays in contact with the pipe. For larger bevels, multiple passes are recommended to achieve a clean finish. Bevel also offers an optional internal shroud for perfect inside diameter bevels on larger pipes. This tool is a game changer for anyone working with plastic pipes. Unleash professional-grade sanding power anywhere with Makita's brushless motor technology. This sander features a manually angle-adjustable LED job light, perfectly aligning with the sanding arm or workpiece. The adjustable sanding arm pivots up to 160 degrees for easy storage. An electric brake minimizes downtime by quickly stopping the belt, while a variable speed control dial offers versatility for both wood and steel projects. The anti-startup feature ensures safety by preventing unexpected belt operation when stored. With a large 533mm belt length, you'll complete tasks faster. The lock-on button supports continuous operation, and a strap hole is available for commercial shoulder straps. Plus, it's connectable to vacuum cleaners for a cleaner workspace. Compact and perfect for sanding in tight spaces, with a handle-to-belt distance of just 32mm, this sander is ideal for woodworkers, artists, sculptors, door hangers, and handymen. Protect your fingers and boost precision with Mycoton's ingenious magnetic solution. Thanks to its hardened steel tip and super strong magnet, you can securely hold nails of any size. No more risking your fingers. Simply slide the magnet driver over the nail and it stays put, giving you precise control and maximum safety. Perfect for furniture assembly, hanging decor, or even tackling upholstery nails, this tool is a must-have in your toolbox. The magnet driver nail holder is a small investment for big-time safety and convenience. Get yours now and make every project safer and easier. Conquer job site chaos with Crescent's brilliantly organized professional tool bag. Engineered to conquer the chaos of any job site with unrivaled organization and durability. This rugged bag features innovative sleeves that securely hold your tools, eliminating the frustration of losing small bits in deep pockets. The interior divider creates two distinct sections, ensuring your tools are organized and easy to find. Built with a hard polypropylene base, this bag resists moisture and impacts, promising durability and longevity. With 17 interior and 8 exterior pockets, including 2 for small parts, you'll keep everything in its place. The bright orange interior lights up dark workspaces, while the 1680D polyester and metal hardware guarantee toughness. Comfort is key thanks to the center metal handle, adjustable padded shoulder strap, and non-slip bar handle. Elevate your tool storage with Crescent Tradesman Bag, built to endure and perform. Guarantee watertight PEX connections every time with Zern PEX's patent-pending interlocking design. Crafted for seamless use with DeWalt DCE 400 and Milwaukee M12 Pro PEX tools, this innovative tool ensures a perfect watertight connection with every fitting, making your installations more reliable and efficient. Featuring a patent-pending design with interlocking teeth and a blunt nose, this head prevents flat marks and uneven expansion, especially crucial in cold weather. Available in sizes 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, it's engineered to handle various pipe sizes while speeding up your sealing process. The unique interlocking shape provides faster, more uniform expansion, solving common issues and ensuring a seamless fit with ASTM 1960 fittings. The Zern PEX expansion interlocking head is your solution for precision and reliability in every PEX installation. Enhance your toolkit and experience the difference in performance. Master perfect 90-degree angles every single time with these precision cast aluminum clamps. Crafted from high-grade cast aluminum, these clamps are your go-to for seamless gluing and stapling tasks. Achieve impeccably accurate 90-degree corner clamping, ensuring flawless joints every time. Experience unwavering stability as the grip holds your workpieces firmly in place, guaranteeing perfect alignment throughout your project. The user-friendly design features a straightforward clamp adjustment mechanism, making setup a breeze. Built to withstand the test of time, these clamps promise robustness and reliability thanks to their premium cast aluminum construction. The rapid setup and quick release feature make them indispensable tools in any workshop. With the R-Wolf corner clamps, you get a blend of innovative design and top-notch performance, reflecting R-Wolf's commitment to excellence. Handle cables effortlessly with Klein's revolutionary 50% lighter one-handed grip system. At 50% lighter than previous models, these grips offer a one-handed operation that's perfect for managing cables from 6 copper up to 477 MCM ACSR. Whether you're working with bare wire, jacketed cable, or EHS cable, the grips come with multiple jaw styles tailored to your needs, including fine tooth, carbide grit, and coarse tooth options. The large handle opening fits a variety of hooks on hoists and winches, adding to its versatility. With a lightweight design and wide cable compatibility, these grips streamline installations and reduce strain. Upgrade your toolkit with these indispensable grips and experience the ultimate in cable handling efficiency. Prepare HDPE pipes for electrofusion welding in a single lightning-fast pass. This game changer makes electrofusion welding prep fast and efficient, especially in tricky spots. Available in various sizes, it's perfect for any pipe diameter and can be bought individually or as a complete set with a handy carry case. The set includes everything you need: spare blades, sliding segments, a grease pen, and even a spare driver shaft. Simply read the manual, ensure your pipe and scraper are clean, and attach the scraper to your cordless drill. A single pass is all it takes, no need for multiple passes. The scraper's self-cleaning feature ensures minimal mess and maximum efficiency. Perfect for both new and existing installations, the Geberit pipe scraper is a must-have for speeding up your workflow. Apply sealant with professional speed and precision using Albion's innovative ribbon system. This innovative nozzle effortlessly applies 1/8 inch thick ribbons of sealant, delivering precision and efficiency. With a standard width of 2 inches, it's easily customizable to dispense up to 4 inches wide by trimming with a utility knife, offering flexibility for various projects. Constructed with a robust 2-piece design, this nozzle fits seamlessly with sausage, bulk, and quart cartridge guns. Ideal for applying liquid air barrier sealants and flashings, it outperforms traditional trowels by speeding up the process and ensuring a smooth, consistent application. Whether you're sealing joints or applying flashings, the Albion nozzle is your go-to tool for faster, more precise results. Upgrade your toolkit and experience the convenience of professional-grade sealant application. Bend pipes from 3/8 to 3 inches with Rigid's comprehensive hydraulic bending system. Starting with the manual bender, it's perfect for pipes from 3/8 to 2 inches. It features a convenient tip-up wing head for easy pipe removal and comes with all necessary formers, including a straightening former for fixing pipe nicks. Prefer quicker access? The open wing head might be your go-to. For larger projects, the 3-inch bender provides extra bending force and can be paired with an electric motor to save time. Rigid's benders also feature a smart push pin for easy transport and storage. Don't forget the tripod stand and custom wheels to complete your setup. With these options, Rigid ensures you get precise bends and effortless operation for all your pipe bending needs. Ensure flawless butt welds on HDPE pipes up to 160 millimeters with Geberit's temperature-regulated system. This essential tool works seamlessly for efficient butt welding of Geberit HDPE and Silent DB20 pipes and fittings up to 160 millimeters in diameter. Compatible with media and universal welding machines, it ensures seamless operation with its automatic temperature regulation and operating display. The scraper's PTFE coating enhances durability and performance, making it a reliable choice for precise and consistent results. CE compliant and powered by 120-volt AC with a 50-60 Hz mains frequency, it's designed to meet high standards of safety and efficiency. Whether you're tackling new installations or maintenance, this scraper streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. Upgrade your toolkit with the Geberit welding plate for superior welding results and hassle-free operation. That concludes our collection of the 20 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional suggestions, please comment below and keep your eyes locked on our channel for more exciting videos like this.